Module 3, Situational Leadership.
Now we get to the nuts and bolts of leadership. The definitive leadership style research comes from Paul Hersey and Kenneth Blanchard, which they expressed in their situational leadership model in 1960s. The Hersey-Blanchard model addresses the key to practical leadership development, the attributes and styles of the followers. Not everyone is on the same intellectual, maturity, compliance, or motivational level. Each individual has unique motivations and desires. This means that to become an excellent leader, you need to understand and address the specific needs and aspirations of each individual within the organization you are leading. Communications experts consider it critical to tailor your message to your target audience. It is the followers that you want to motivate and influence, and you cannot do that if you don't know who you are trying to motivate or influence. The situational leadership model addresses 4 types of leadership styles, based on the follower. 1. Telling. 2. Selling. 3. Participating. 4. Delegating. The goal is to develop followers to the delegating level as seen below. Situational leadership, telling. Topic objective. To learn and understand the situational leadership model, telling style. Telling is the lowest level of leadership style. Most new employees require direct instructions, so this is called the telling or directing style. The follower or employee is characterized by low competence and high commitment, being unable to comply, with possible feelings of insecurity. The leader must focus highly on tasks, rather than a relationship with the employee, as a relationship does not yet exist. When an employee can't do the job because they are unknowledgeable, the leader must spend much more time working with the employee, offering clear instructions and regular follow-up. The leader must be encouraging and motivational, offering praise for positive results and correction for less than positive results. The idea is to motivate the employee to rise to the next level of ability. This is a very leader-driven stage. Topic summary. Adapt your leadership style as appropriate to the employee's capabilities through telling style.
Situational leadership, selling.
Topic objective. To learn and understand the situational leadership model, selling style. Selling addresses the employee who has developed some competence with an improved commitment. The employee is not convinced yet, but is open to becoming cooperative and motivated. The leader must still focus highly on tasks, and this still requires much of the leader's time. But the focus now also includes developing a relationship with the employee. Build upon the trust that has begun to develop and the encouragement that has been demonstrated. The leader must spend more time listening and offering advice, scheduling the employee for additional training if the situation requires it. The goal is to engage the employee so they can develop to the next level. There is less telling and more suggesting, which leads to more encouragement, acting as a coach. It is recognition that they have progressed and motivates them to progress even further. This is a very leader-driven stage. Topic summary. Adapt your leadership style as appropriate to the employee's capabilities through selling style.